Friend, this is the next stage in learning probability. We know that probability of event A or the probability of happening of event A is P of E, and the probability of the event is not happening is 1 minus probability of E, which is equal to probability of E naught. For this we will understand this by the thing like if there is a probability of an happening of an event is 1 by 2 and the surety of that event is 1, so the probability of not happening that event is 1 minus probability of happening of that event, which is nothing but p of 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will understand this by example. Now the question is, the one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace or not be an ace. We have learned about the card of deck of card in our previous video, so you can go and check out first of all that video. After that we will solve this query. As we see, the formula is P of E equal to probability of E equal to number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes, so the probability of getting an ace is number of aces upon total number of cards. As we see in previous video, in a deck of cards there are total 52 cards and there are four types of aces. The four types of aces are club, spade, diamond and heart. So there are 4 aces and 52 cards. So the probability of getting an ace is equal to 4 upon 52, which is equal to 1 upon 13. This is the answer. Now we have to calculate the second one, not be an ace. So not be an ace means the cards which are not ace. So total cards are 52 and the cards which are ace are 4. So 52 minus 4 is 48. So 48 cards are not ace. So and the probability of not ace is P of F is equal to 48 upon 52. If we understand this through that, the if the probability of being a ace or not being a ace is added together, then this will be a sure event, so it will be 1. So like if we added P of E plus P of F, then they will be equal to 1. So we will declare that P of F as P of E naught. So we said P of E naught, which is P E complement, which is equal to 1. We can prove that by this. So P of E is 4 upon 52 and P of E naught is 48 upon 52, which is equal to 4 plus 48 upon 52, which is equal to 52 upon 52 equal to 1. So this is the sure event. So we got the formula. The probability of getting an event and plus probability of not getting an event is always equal to 1. Thank you.